Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share with you the brand new Liberty Box 2023 from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a fantastic box, and I'm really excited to share the contents with you. I'm also going to share some things from the May 2023 sampler box. I never got around to filming a video for that, and it has some great products as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the Liberty box first, and then we'll look at the sampler box after that. And I was super excited to be able to get a preview box and be able to get my box a little bit early. I've been thinking for a little while what I'm going to do with this fabric. Okay, so Sweet Land of Liberty, and included are, wow, and this is a really good bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think 9 fat quarters of the Stateside collection from Sweetwater. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this bundle and let you see the fabrics up close, because I'm going to sew something with this really, really soon. It is really cute fabric. I love the stripe, and then this tone on tone within America in the red. Then the flags. This medium blue print is really pretty. And then this is the Stateside feature print that has the name, all the different states, and then their state nickname. So like Nevada is the Battleborn State, Ohio is the Buckeye State. This is a really cute print. And then this another text print, and it's America, and there's the United States of America is in the script, and then the print is America. Then this really fun little red print with the little tiny flowers and the red flags, and then the tone on tone. So it's a really nice assortment of fat quarters. And of course there is a pattern included that you can use with this. This is the apple pie wall hanging pattern, and it's actually a really nice size, 27.5 inches by 36.5 inches. The only thing you would need to make this that isn't in the box is the binding fabric. And so, and that would be a 1/2 yard, and they tell you what it is. So really fun to have a cute little pattern to go along with the fabrics. And I don't know, I might end up making that. It's super cute. Okay. A tape measure. You can always use a tape measure and this little cherries. I love it. And I love, you just squeeze the middle and it rolls it back up. So you can never, you always need a tape measure. And so love, love, love that cute little design. This is really fun. These are coasters, and perfect timing. I'm going to put these in my family room right away. 2 different designs, Land of the Free with a little flag cut out, and then Land That I Love with the fireworks and the stars. So, and they have cork on the back. So really, really, this is a great, great product. Really excited. Okay, a couple more things. Some red, white, and blue pins, of course. And then there is a Cute Cuts by Riley Blake Designs 4.5 by 4.5 inch ruler, and it says in the product materials that you will use this ruler if you make the pattern that's included in the box. So, but also very usable for a lot of other projects too. And then the little card that just gives you kind of all the product information. So really, really excited about this box. Really, I'm definitely going to sew something with these fabrics. They are so cute, and I love that collection when Sweetwater first shared it, and can't wait to use them. Okay, I also want to share with you what is included in the May sampler box. We didn't get the box filmed before Fat Quarter Shop shared it and before it was kind of widely being shared, but there's some really good products in here that I want to show you. The topic is the sweetest thing, and really cute because the fabric included is Joanna Figueroa from Fig Tree. It's her fruit cocktail collection, and this is really cute too. I'm actually gonna unroll this and show you these prints because it's such a cute, cute group. And Joanna has a book out right now that has a ton of projects using these fabrics. So if you like the fabrics, you might want to pick up her Fruit Cocktail book. So little tiny prints, blue and red, a couple large florals. I love it on the white background. The cherry print, love that. And that has a blue background or a pale mint background or a yellow background or also a red background. And then this one's really cute with the dots. And then just such a wide variety of colors in this collection. I feel like it's really summery, but you could also use some of these prints for fall. Love, love, love this print. And then these stripes are really cute and really fun at the end. So I think this is a junior layer cake, so I believe it has just 20 squares. I'm not sure, but it is a smaller, yeah, it's a junior layer cake. So you don't have the full set of 42, but you have a good sampling from the collection. Okay, also included are some nail files, which also you can always use when you sew. Sewing is hard on our nails, as we have all found out. So nice to have a couple of nail files. You can always stick those in your purse or in your bag. The Clover thread cutter pendant. This is an indispensable little tool. You can stick it in the top of a spool of thread, and there are actually little razor blades tucked inside here. You can't access it with your finger, but if you put threads in there, it will cut them. So it's great to use when you're chain piecing. I actually have a wooden little ABC block that has a hole drilled in it that I have mine stuck in, so I can just set it there and then just trim all those threads from when I've been chain piecing. Okay, there are a couple spools of Metler thread, and they're both in neutral colors. So a more white and a more ivory. So you can always use those, and it's a nice weight for piecing, or I feel like it's a great weight for piecing. There is a really cute exclusive pattern. It's called Mi Casa, and it uses the junior layer cake, and it's a 58.5 by 58.5 wall hanging. So it's a really nice size for what's included, and you do use 2 1/4 yards of background that you'll need to add to this, and then 5/8 yards of binding. So really, really cute pattern that they included to use with these fabrics. And then a couple more things. This is it looks like a macaron, but what it is, I will take it out, is it will sharpen your needles. So there's what looks like the filling is actually, you can stick your pin in there and hold it there, but it also sharpens it. So really kind of a fun little, nifty little notion. And it's also made by Clover, and I just feel like I love every product that Clover makes. If Clover makes a notion, I know I'm going to love it. So really, really good to have this. And then last but not least is the Pressed Flowers Quilt Along. This is block 2. You get one of these patterns in every box. And so this is the block 2 pattern is included. So really just had to share this May box with you as well because it also had so many fun things. Okay, so I will have everything linked in the description so that you can either purchase products individually, or I believe they might still have some of the May boxes. They were letting you purchase the May box without signing up for the full subscription service. And if there are any Liberty boxes left too, I'll have those linked so that you can buy those as well. But and I kind of had this mentioned on my blog for the past few weeks, because when those specialty boxes come up, they do go pretty fast, but really great products for all. Okay, so that's it for the 2023 edition of the Fat Quarter Shop Sweet Liberty box. It was a terrific box, as I'm sure you will agree, and also I hope you enjoyed seeing some of those products from the May 2023 regular Sew Sampler box. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.